In this vignette, I'm going to go over how to add headers or footers into a document, and also how to add a different header and footer on the first page from the rest of the document. I'm going to use Alice in Wonderland for this purpose. And I'm on the first page, which is the title page with an image. I'm going to go down to the second page. That's usually where you want to begin adding headers and footers. So with my cursor down here on the second page, the easiest way to add a header or footer to a document is by clicking up on the Insert menu. So I'm going to click on Insert and add Header. In this case, I think what I'll do is I'm going to add the document name in the upper left corner. I'm going to leave the middle blank on the header, and on the upper right I'm going to add the document author. I'm going to check on this insert a different header on the first page of the document because I'm going to want this header to begin on the second page. If I uncheck this header would be applied for the whole document, but I'm going to check this right now and click OK. So the header has gone in there. If I scroll back up to the first page, you can see the header is not on the first page. And I'm going to come down here. There it is. You can also change the font or the font color, other formatting options of a header or footer just by highlighting it. And I'll choose a different font. I'll make it rather small, and I could even change the color of it because we don't want it to stand out too much. I'm going to make it gray, so it's going to sit back there a little bit. Now I'm also going to want to add a footer. In this case, I'm going to come down here, and rather than click on the Insert button down here, I'm going to double click in the region where a footer belongs. I'm going to double click here, and Buzzword knows that I'm trying to insert a footer. What I'm going to do at this point is I'll leave the left and right blank, but I'm going to put the page number in here right in the middle. I will want to insert a different footer because I don't want the page number to appear on that title page, and click OK. It's in there. Again, I'm going to change the font and the font size and the font color to make it something that's a little bit more subtle. And there it is. Now the other thing I may want to do is, on a long book especially, you may want to add some other information around the page number. So in this case, I'm just going to type in page in front so I know it's page 2. But I can also add page 2 of how many. Now this is just an excerpt of Alice in Wonderland, so I've only got 6 pages, but what I could do at this point is type page 2, typing in of, and I can insert a field just to the right there. Insert a field, and I'm going to add the number of pages. So right here you can see it says page 2 of 6. And as I scroll down, you can see there's my header. If I scroll down a little further, page 3 of 6. So we have these fields that will calculate the number of pages, and that's kind of useful, especially for long documents. And there we have it. So if you want to actually add a header or footer on the first page of the document, you can come up here and repeat the process, but in this case I'm going to leave it blank, and you've got the document set up the way you want to go.